Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette, where I create projects using stamps, inks, papers, mixed medias, embellishment, and a whole lot of joy. So on my previous video, I showed you the contents in our Paper Pumpkin subscription box that came in the month of December. And these are the cards that you could design in this Paper Pumpkin kit. You had supplies to create 12 cards, and it also came with the 12 envelopes and everything here to design these cards, as well as the instructions. So today I'm going to be showing you my cards that I put together, a variation of designs or alternate designs. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, please do stick around. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you could be notified when I upload my latest videos. So let's go ahead and jump right into those cards that I designed. So let's start with showing you this particular design right here. So I think that this was a beautiful kit. So with the base of the card, they have gold foil within the cardstock. So instead of using the ink that came with that, which was rich raspberry, so I went ahead and just embossed with gold, embossed in powder, just to bring that gold out of the base of the card. So this is the first design that they have there. And these are just some variations of design that I did create these cards. I also use different sentiments because for me, I like to have like a lot of birthday cards or thank you cards. And I left the inside blank. So I will be able to stamp the sentiment for the occasion as the occasion arises. So this is another card here. And I really enjoyed this kit. This was just a really fun, beautiful kit. The selection of the cardstock and the animals that was included with this was just so adorable. And they came with these beautiful envelopes, which have appearance of being lined in the inside. Okay. And the colors coordinate so well. So let's move on to this design right here in the center. So this is the one that I created just like the instructions in the card. So I embossed with gold on my sentiments. So I put life is beautiful. And so in the inside, you could say happy birthday, thank you for whatever. Again, I think this pattern is my favorite pattern with those fine stripes. Again, with this, I add a touch of gold ribbon. And again, you have your coordinating envelope. So on this next one right here, so we have the raccoon. And I just add some rhinestones to this one. I add some gold twine as well as rhinestones. So I added a tone on tone layer on this one. I kind of added a tone on tone ribbon on this one. and I added some gold ribbon to this one. So if you guys are getting any creative value from this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. So again, guys, with these kits, you are able to create 12 cards. They have instructions where you could design it as the instructions, or you could put your spin on it and get creative and do your own designs. Thank you guys for tuning in to my creative corner. This is Claudette, and I will catch you guys on the next video.